in the Soviet Union of that period, I wasn't aware, because as much as the internationalism of the Soviet state and the Soviet ideology was a myth, I mean, there were a lot of naive people who wore this completely, colorblind kind of spectacles, if you wish, who weren't really realizing, oh, this is a Jew and this is a Russian and this is a. So I don't think that I realized it really. But objectively speaking, and looking at it now, looking back objectively, I was raised in the Jewish environment. Jewish in what way?
Well,
Religious? No, because we are talking about Soviet Union. So yes, they would celebrate, the Jewish Pascha, right, the Passover. So yes, there would be this, matzah, and there would be klotzki, and So yes, there would be they would keep some of the maybe culinary aspects of these Jewish holidays, but I don't think that the deep religious meaning was really ever there.